The song House of Miracles by Brandon Lake is a mid-tempo worship song that has both triplets and 16th note grooves. We are going to concentrate on the patterns of each of those grooves, as well as switching from section to section and between subdivisions. All right, so grab your sticks, watch the music video, and let's get to it. The pattern for the second chorus goes like this. All right, so for the second chorus groove, we have a few of the elements that we've used in the earlier parts kind of coming together, okay? So the first thing to note is we have a nice strong kick on the quarter notes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's running all the way through this chorus. We then have that triplet pattern on the toms, okay? Starting on the high tom, and all we've done is added one note. So where before we were playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, okay? Or 1 triplet and triplet 2. We now add in that fourth note out of 6, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, okay? Or 1 triplet and triplet 2. And it kind of gives a nice, like, flowing running motion, okay? 3 and 4 and okay? That's what's happening on the toms. Then on beat 4, we are playing a unison tom hit the first half of the chorus, okay? So just both toms and kick on beat 4, okay? The second half of the chorus, that becomes a snare flam, okay? Kind of takes it up a little bit. So to put that together, I'm first just going to sing the parts, just so you can hear it all together, okay? So 3 and 4 and 3 with snare, okay? Now let's look at counting it out a little bit, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 and 3 and 4, okay? Or if you prefer to count it like 1 triplet and triplet, okay? We'd have 1 triplet and triplet 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now the one other thing to note here, which I mentioned in the introduction, is that we are actually sometimes shifting from triplets to 16th notes within the same pattern, okay, or within the same section and cycle. And so in this chorus, you'll hear we have that triplet rhythm. Okay, let me sing the right one, okay, but then our fills, so the fills that you hear are more like 4E-ander, okay, so that's something you want to get used to. And you can start, even it's a good practice to kind of run your kick and switch between triplets and 16ths, okay? If you've never done that kind of thing before, okay? Otherwise, just be aware of the 16th notes before you come to them. You don't want to get there and be like, oh yeah, it's supposed to be 16ths. That can be a little late and it can sound a little wonky, okay? So that would sound like this, okay? 3, 4E and 3 and 4E and a crash. All right, so let me play this chorus part for you slowly. All right, so practice that part along with the loops, and let's go to our next section.